Yeah. So now we're gonna go to Mount Healy.
I think masira na yung
Now we're gonna go.
National Park.
Zion National Park. Maraming flowers. Pero short lang daw, hindi naman daw mahaba to. Aaron's. Oh my word! Going to the right. Hindi sa left. So let's go this way. Oh, we went back. Oh, nagbabike sila. Oh.
Kapunta tayo dito. At ngayon wala.
Fairbanks.
Hindi ko makita yung Anchorage at saka Fairbanks.
4 hours.
Different places. I don't need to see the tea time.
Oh. Ay, sa Tibagbaga na? Oh. Ay, hanggang amo. Look how beautiful that is.
Yeah, now the sun's on earlier. You're very tired.
Ang ganda. The glacier.
All the way up here, we're trying to get a picture, and there's just fog and cloud, and can't see. And now, you can see sunshine.
Glacier. Tapos like in drawing.
Beautiful. Oh, that looks really good. Your camera
Yeah.
making good picture and video.
Yeah, right now it has a different viewpoint because of the sun.
Yeah.
Because the sun is shining.
Camera shot. We'll have to review and get pictures from you. The sun on this side. Oh my, doing that. Okay.
Oh well.
Okay, I don't want my whole body is sore. Everything. Abs, everything. Wow,
Grizzly bear. Denali.
Langitan, Jose. Langitan.
Baliktad sa mo ti langit yun, napay ulak magkan naglumot yung tibaban ko. Kinbabama ti langit eh. Yang mo kadayo pa, hindi yung nagsama ti plangon nga pa yung bumagbaban. Kala ko, pagbababan kami. Nagsama ti plangon. Tagayan, panlap nila. Nandiyan ti lubak-lubak na nakalaka.
Anjay muna. May Circle K. Nalalakad dyan.
shows up good on our phone. We couldn't get anything like
Punta
that.
kita dyan talikod. Kahit ka na kaya.
It was just a bunch of fog. You can see your
Oh
phone.
my god.
Oh.
In my eyes.
Oh yeah. You can see the eyes.
Wow, it was so pretty.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
Oh, take a picture.
It shows up
Sanay
good.
guguhit
It
na.
shows up good on our phone because there's no fog.
Ganda naman yan. Pwede mag-park kuya.
And look,
Pwede mag-park dyan kuya.
you can share.
Oh, mag-park tayo. Picture pala tayo.
Picture tayo dyan. Oh.
If we can park.
Ganda.
Group
Oh,
picture.
I think you have enough pictures now. You have enough pictures, right?
Huh?
You got enough
Is there any...
pictures.
If we can.
If we can.
Ito, malaki naman yun.
If we can just go home, that'd be alright too.
Ay, ang ganda. Cute.
Oh, ang ganda pa ditong flower dito sa side. Oh, picture niyo.
Ang ganda.
Oh, wow.
Ang ganda.
I don't know, but...
Sige, mag-picture tayo.
May picture mo.
Ah,
Then I'll do it this way. So
Ito din yung bulaklak, ha? Thank you.
paano, be?
Baka mo, sandali. Ano mo sa ano, yeah. May walang ulo.
Ito, ang alam ko eh.
Oo. Oo, sige, kunin mo
Ano to,
ganyan.
pang postcard.
Lakay.
Kunin mo.
Ate Lea, dalawa kami ni Jojo,
Oo,
please.
okay na.
Ayan! Sweet!
Ang ganda. Sandali, paano ba ang picture? Sandali. O, kunin mo nga kasi.
Ayan o! Nakuha ko na.
Okay. Oh, yan. Ang ganda ng camera mo. Wow, ang sweet.
Ke. Yan, ganyan lang siya.
Nilalang.
Ang ganda ng bulaklak niya.
That scream and you scared me really bad. You screamed and I turned. I thought someone was getting hit by a car. Something happened. I whipped and turned and it scared me bad. Please don't do that anymore.
Patay kayo.
Yeah,
Lagot
right.
kayo.
What picture do you have?
No, it's okay.
I got out now.
No, that's fine.
Okay,
Okay, well,
let's
I'm
go.
sorry, but that really scared me.
Sorry.
Pasensyahan mo na. Ganyan talaga. Ganyan nga, mumuna, muntil makain talaga.
Ayun, sabihin na ako yung
Bunto na na dyan. Unso man na o. Ano ni, may pili pa. Pasaway.
Aray.
Miriam, pakitanggal lang yung sa likod yung unan mo. Sa likod para hindi natatakpan sa kwan.
sorry.
Yan, guys, salamat.
Daddy, yung hazard mo, still on hazard.
I did it kasi kwan. Siyempre nabuntog after na tinuod yung likod ko.
Oh.
So I did daw eh.
Ay, salamat Jo. Inag-stop ka Jo.
No problem.
Woo,
It's nakita ko,
Sama yan sa adventure nyo.
nakita ko rin kasi maganda rin kaya.
Oh.
Mabay ko sa lala na drawing na eh.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Okay, bump.
Bump!
Yun ganyan kasi nga katayo o parang drawing na. Ano na tayo na sa Switzerland? Yung Alps, sasabihin ko we're in Switzerland with the Alps.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Tagplan-plano tamanan ko lang kinilakay mo. Magdang Switzerland, naman ko check ko ako ng California. Kung saan siya masaya, kung na naman. Sino? Ilakay na.
Lakay mo.
Yung Ilocos Paano parahan na nga mga tarusan?
Look at that. Oh. I can't get enough.
Nagplano siguro nga agyan kita nagbalin-linisan na mo diyan. Nagbalay.
Ay, pakandong ako sa iyo, Naibin.
Ah. Pwede naman, basta bigyan mo ako ng 100.
May kapalit.
Magtiis ako kahit na kung ano yung pa ako mamanhit.
May pera lang.
May kapalit pala yung
To many years.
May salmon siguro dito.
Kasta-kasta ka na pasok na nato.
Ang gagas pa.
Ano sana siya Tiloya?
Bumili siya ng itlog.
Dadaan pa kayo ng kwan? Gross one way, right?
Bayag pa bago ako makaturog.
It's one way, so you have to
Circle
go.
K. Ang gasolina nila. Gabi na. It's 11:08 at night. Going home. They have Burger King here. They also have Wells Fargo and Target.